Hello, my name is Stewart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. Today I'm on April's lawn here in the Magnolia neighborhood. Today is June 17th. I've got landscapers working on either side of me on this property. And today on this lawn I have aerated, seeded, fertilized. I put on a wetting agent because the ground here is getting very, very hard. And that's a wetting, W-E-T-T-I-N-G, wetting agent. It'll allow the water from the irrigation system to actually get into this clay-based soil, and instead of just running off real quickly. And then I put on a 50-pound bag of soil amendment. And I'm going to try to make it back here if I can in about a month's time. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company. And thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it. Bye-bye. Hello, this is Stewart, and today is July 8th. And I just came back here to this property here to see the results. I had previously aerated, seeded, fertilized, and put on a wetting agent. And the main thing was I was trying to get this lawn to green up, get it to look healthy, so the kids had a place to play. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.